I'm Vikas from the biggest community of cloud and DevOps engineers. I'm creating this or recording this single video to take care of all the questions which you are able to see in my screen as well. I will take care of what exactly the prerequisite to become the cloud and DevOps engineer in 2.5 months. What all the resources are required, who can attend these sessions, why you have to attend these sessions, what all the batch details are there, and why you have to learn with the cloud and DevOps engineers community only. That also I have covered up into that part. FAQs, whatever the questions you have think or whatever the questions has been asked in my previous batches, all the questions I have covered up into that. Job roles, after learning this, what all job roles can be possible, what will be the syllabus, what will be the roadmap, I have also covered that part. What will be the extra benefit I am providing to you, that also I have covered up. What all placement of job role offers can be possible with this, and at the end what will be the offer price I am going to enroll or I am going to show it in front of you guys. So stay tuned for the next 10 minutes and I will help you out for all the questions. Very first thing, what will be the prerequisite? Okay, as soon as you will able to see that the prerequisite is, if you have an intention to become cloud or DevOps engineer in 2025, then definitely this course is for you. Another thing, because what will be required from my side so that I can able to learn it, you need a basic laptop with Chrome and Zoom installed in the machine. Why Chrome and Zoom? Because Zoom, with the help of Zoom, we can able to connect, we can able to talk, we can interact. With the help of Chrome, yes, you will able to interact the cloud, you will able to interact with the AWS, GCP, or whatever the tools are required, you will able to interact. So these two basic softwares will be required in your machine. If you will say I don't have any knowledge, you are completely zero, that's also acceptable, because we are going to start from a level 0 and up to the advanced level we will go slowly. It's a journey of 2.5 months, so definitely it will be. So if you don't have the knowledge, that is also acceptable. If you will say I don't have any coding or prior experience, that's also acceptable, because I'm going to deliver my 15 years of experience to you, so code experience doesn't required here. If you will say I don't have any coding knowledge, that's okay, not a big issue. Whatever the commands or whatever the things are required, I'm going to provide it to you in this session. Okay, I hope the prerequisite is very clear. Second point, resources. Okay, I'm going to provide you the PPT, I'm going to provide you the video recordings, the live sessions. As soon as the live session will be completed, within 20 minutes the recording will be available in your LMS system. Quiz, interview questions, as soon as the topic will be get completed, all the interview questions related to that will be unlocked or will be available in your LMS system for the next 1000 days. Step-by-step practicals, PPTs, whatever the practicals I'm going to perform live into the sessions, their code, their steps, their PPT will be provided to you immediately. This will be the 55 live interactive sessions, means next 2.5 months you have to be committed for the learning purpose. I will provide you one of the Android application where you can download all the PPT and videos. That is official CloudDevOpsHub Android application. You can download it and you can watch the videos offline as well. I hope this is clear. Third point, who can attend this? If you are a beginner, you are a completely non-technical, instead of doing any support work, better learn the things, become an experienced person or become a technical person and get the high package. If you will say, because I'm already getting 4 lakh package or 8 lakh package or 10 lakh package, this will be helpful for you. Yes, from 10 to 20, from 20 to 30, that will be help. If you will learn and grow, if you will upskill into the cloud and DevOps, definitely your package will be get increased. Same thing, if someone will say, because I'm already into the cloud profile, I'm already into the DevOps profile, is this helpful for you? Yes, definitely, buddy, it will be helpful, because when you work into any of the IT company, there may be chances you are working into the limited things, okay, or limited resources. But if you will learn from the particular roadmap of 55 days or 2.5 months, what will happen? Your topic will be whatever you know, you will become the expert and you will learn so many new things as well. So that we will combine everything into the single resume or single profile, and you can go and ask the double or triple package also. That's why everyone has to learn these sessions. Okay, if you will ask that why you have to attend these sessions, what is the reason behind it? Because anyone in 2024, a lot of people has learned the cloud and DevOps profile. One of your friend also will be, I'm 100% sure your friend also move into the cloud and DevOps profile and they have get the highest package also. Easy to get a job, because 60,000 70,000 still openings are there. If you will learn the things, then only it is possible. Your career growth will be faster, you will be highest salary across the IT jobs, your value will be get increased, you will get a respect. Because if you will say I'm a support engineer, I'm a QA engineer, or I'm just doing some non-technical work, you will not get value. If you will say that I'm into the cloud and DevOps profile, you will get a respect into the IT as well. And why you have to learn, the biggest reason is because you want to be a knowledgeable into the cloud and DevOps role. That's why you have to attend these sessions. Because what will be the details about the batch? If I will open this, you will get to know that my batch is going to be get start on the 12th of February 2025, and within next 2.5 months I will cover up everything. Okay, and if you are watching this video after this date, you don't have to worry, you can come to my next batch also completely free of cost. So you don't have to pay again, only one time you have to enroll it. And if you are watching this video after 12th Feb, you can enroll, you can come into my next batch also. The timing will be 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST sharp on Zoom. Okay, sharp on Zoom, you have to connect it. Why? Because why you are taking only morning session? Because I'm also a working professional and morning is the best time for the learning purpose. That's why we are taking this session only into the morning. It's a regular Monday to Friday batch, just only Monday to Friday, or sometime in the Saturday we are conducting some extra weekend workshops, so you can come into that also for grooming yourself. And regular learning will only help you out for the learning purpose. Okay, you will groom up when you learn every day. I will take care of your mock interviews, because in this course already the mock interviews are there, that the count is unlimited. Whenever you are comfortable, whenever you are start ready to give the interviews, because some people will say, because I'm not interested, I made a switch last 3 months back only, 2 months back only, I'm not interested for the job. It's okay, you can give the mock interviews after 6 months, after 2 months also is possible for me. Over the weekend we are taking some extra weekend workshops, so yes, you are also welcome into that part. I hope you get the details. If any questions, put down your comment and I will help you out in that. Okay? And if someone will think I can learn this from anywhere, but no. If you will learn from the Cloud DevOpsHub community, we are the community of 58,000 members as well. We will allow you to communicate with the mentor. Have you ever seen any of the video or any of the communication where you will able any of the institute who will allow you to communicate with the mentor? No, I will allow you to unmute and ask any of the question whatever is coming in your mind. I will create a WhatsApp group also, so that you can talk with your fellow mates as well. Whatever the questions are coming, instead of giving the answer by me, anyone who knows that answer can also give it to you, and it will create a bonding. We will create a small team also, that will be helpful. We learn and grow together. Okay, our intention is only to learn and grow together. If you miss one batch, that's also acceptable, that you can come to my next batch also, immediate next batch also, it is possible. And my all the last day recordings also, last day recording of the batch is also available on the YouTube. You can go to my YouTube channel Cloud DevOpsHub and you can check it. That's why you have to learn, or you have to learn with the Cloud DevOpsHub community. Okay, now I'm coming up into the things where some FAQs are there, okay, which definitely come in your mind, and I'm opening that. And if I will ask you the question, because is this 2.5 month course is for fresher or experience? These are for both fresher and experience. If your intention is to skill up, then yes, this 2.5 month journey is more than enough, or it will be helpful for you. What I will get after this course, you will get a real-time exposure, so that you can work in any of the MNC from the day one itself. I will cover up or take this course into the very simple English. If you have any questions in the Hindi also, you can able to ask that. But course will be into the English, and it will be a very simple English. Do I have any other time also? No, I have only one time 8 a.m. IST, because I'm not a running institute. I'm running a work. I'm also a working professional. So I'm taking off only one batch at a time, and I want you to come into the morning 8 a.m. IST batch only. Some people will ask, Vikas, do we have any weekend batch also? No, sorry. My syllabus is very big. If you really want to learn the things in 3 months or 4 months of duration, then this is the only, you have to learn it regularly Monday to Friday, then only it is possible. If you will learn only over the weekend, you need a more than 1 year time to complete this syllabus. Okay, because my syllabus is very big. Okay, and if you will ask how much package I can expect after learning this, if you have some previous experience also, I can say in short, double, you can make your package double or triple also by learning this. And maximum up to 40 to 50, or some people in my batches are expecting beyond that also, that is also possible. If I will get the recording of the session, yes, absolutely, within a 20 minutes of the session completed, the recording will be uploaded into the LMS system, and you will able to access for the next 1000 days. If I miss any of the live class, what will happen? You have the recording, you can access the recording, watch the video, and come up into the next class. That is acceptable. If you miss the entire batch itself, no need to worry, you can come to the immediate next batch also, and you can continue with that part. If you will ask how long the recordings and PPT videos will be available, it will be available till 2027, and or it will be available till 1000 days. I'm directly providing the 1000 days access. From as soon as you will enroll it, 1000 days will be available for you. If someone is asked, because if I completed my course after 3 months, what will happen, or what type of support will be provided to you? Obviously, you will be a part of the active WhatsApp group, and you will be able to ask the questions into that, because as soon as you will join, I will add you into the particular WhatsApp group, okay, of the particular batch, and you will able to ask all the questions after 3 months, after 6 months as well. And if you have a question related to the fees, that is also fine. Within next 2 minutes, I'm coming into the fees as well. Okay, I hope I have covered up all the questions. Still, if I miss any of the question, please feel free to ask and I will help you out. What all job roles you can apply? Yes, the question is very important. Okay, and you can able to see that you can apply for the cloud roles, you can apply for the DevOps job roles, and you can apply for the cloud and DevOps multiple job roles. This many different job roles you can apply it. If your question is regarding the syllabus, because what you're going to provide it, I have divided this syllabus into the 10 different modules. Okay, the module 1, which is related to the DevOps foundation, module 2 Linux, module 3 related to the top AWS services, module 4 the DevOps part will get start, means Git, GitHub and Jenkins will be taken care. Module 5 Docker and Kubernetes, module 6 Ansible and Terraform, module 7 Prometheus and Grafana will be provided to you with the help of Helm, and module 8 the shell script as well as the Python script will be provided to you or will be mentored to you. After that, module 9 the real-time 3 major projects related to CI/CD, related to DevOps, related to AWS services and related to your real-time jobs orientation will be provided to you in the module 9. And every Wednesday 8 p.m. IST will be a mock interview. You must have to attend this so that we can talk one-to-one also, and I can check your resume, I can help you out what exactly your current package is, I can understand that, and I can guide you one-to-one also into the mock interviews as well. And if you need this complete syllabus, I'm creating a one more small video where the syllabus has to be get explained, and you can watch that as well, please. And what will be the extra benefit will be provided? First benefit is like you will get a 24/7 community support. You will be added into the WhatsApp group so that you can talk with the candidates. 100% placement assistance will be provided to you. We will provide you the referrals as well. And another biggest benefit, if you miss the batch, you can join the next batch also is possible, which no one will provide it to you. You can discuss all the technical related questions as well into the, and whatever the questions, and you can implement into the real time as well. I will provide you the LinkedIn verified certificate as well so that your profile will get boom. Some more cash prizes will happen whenever you are doing the practicals, whenever you are helping others, whenever you are providing the referrals to some other candidates as well. I will provide you the cash benefits as well, or cash referrals as well to you. I will provide you the best ATS resume for the cloud and DevOps profile, multiple dummy resumes also, so that you can change the thing in that resume, and from the day one itself you can start getting the calls as well. These are the extra benefits I'm providing to you, and even I can't mention it. So many different things are available, and I'm going to provide it to you. Regarding the placement and job offers, yes, we have a tie-up with the multiple HRs, and they will check your profile, they will give a call. 58,000 community members are there. Everyone is working in some different companies, so you can ask the referrals in our Facebook community where 58,000 different members are there. You can ask that, and I will provide you 10 plus referrals in your batch itself. I will help you out. I will optimize your Naukri profile as well so that you will get unlimited interview calls as well. We will create and optimize your LinkedIn profile also so that you will get unlimited LinkedIn calls as well. If one student, let's assume that we are 30 people in my batch, and if one student will provide one referral to other, you will get 30 to 40 referrals in the batch itself by the students itself. So 30 referrals, 20-30 referrals from the students, 10 referrals from me. Naukri and LinkedIn means a lot of interview calls you will get it, and some internal community referrals also available or provided by the students also from the previous batch. So these are the things related to the placements will be provided to you. And the biggest thing, offer price. Yes, the offer price is very simple. See my next video, and I'm providing you all the details into that. Thank you. Thanks a lot.